Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel How Logical. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to snooze in Bumble. Now let's begin. I'm gonna focus on the web version of Bumble. You can do it in the mobile version as well. I'm simply gonna type bumble.com and hit on enter right now. Well, as you can see, I've already logged into my account. In case you have not, do log in right now. Let's simply try to snooze our account. At the top left, here's your profile right here. Simply click on it. Then something like this will open up. Initially, you'll be in the edit profile section. Let's simply go to settings. Once you're in the settings page, you'll see something like this. Choose mode, snooze everything. You can scroll down and look at all the different features available. But right now, let's simply try to enable snooze. Here's the snooze button right here. And next to it is a button like this. Simply toggle this on. Now it's gonna ask you something like this. How long do you want to be invisible for? Select the appropriate time you wish. Give your confirmation. Now it's gonna ask you something like this. Do you want to set a status for your existing matches while you're away? Simply select whatever you wish. Right now I'm simply gonna click on no thanks. And guys, there you go. That's how you enable snooze in Bumble. It's easy as that. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Thank you.